Hi everyone, I am Yadvi KK from 8B section B7 batch, and my seminar topic is 6G mobile technology under the guidance of Chinnavi Gaudarma. So let me tell you the abstract of my seminar topic. In this modern era, wireless communication emerges as the most flexible and convenient way of communication among the users present across the globe. So we all know that how the technology has developing day by day. So in this scenario, 6G communication network will satisfy the user requirements for high speed data without any network interrupts. It provides the data speed in the range of 10 to 300 MB per second and on extension of up to 10 to 11 GB per second. So now we all are using the 4G technology. So here 4G technology is however almost speed, but in case if we think that 6G technology has arrived, then what is the speed of the internet? So we can get 10 to 11 GB per second. 6G is considered as the fastest and efficient wireless communication network. In this modern mobile technology, as it uses full duplex radio wave transmission methodology in its communication process. 6G network has the tendency to provide super fast streaming without any interruption and buffering, which does not exist in previous network generation. So this is the network which doesn't get any buffering and it doesn't exist in network generation. By implementing this 6G network in India, which can support various emerging communication technologies to achieve a high data speed at low cost. So this is the abstract of my seminar topic. Now the contents. The contents are abstract introduction, 6G mobile communication system, comparison between 5G and 6G, features of 6G technology and advantages, disadvantages, conclusion and reference. Let me give you a small introduction about 6G mobile technology. Almost every 10 years a new communication system has been introduced. Improving the QS providing new feature and introducing new technology, although 5G is not efficiently launched yet. Researchers have turned their attention to 6G communication system. 6G will be able to connect everything, integrate different technologies and applications, support holographic, haptic space and space underwater communications, and it will also support the internet of things, internet of nano things and internet of bodies. These are numerous transmission media like radio wave, microwave, infrared, GPS and Bluetooth. Bluetooth is utilized to exchange of information by means of voice contact, videos, two-dimensional broadcast, and the sky is the limit for there. From there, technology is progressively its request in numerous organizations and individuals close to home utilize a particularly versatile innovation. This is the introduction of our topic. So next comes 6G mobile communication system. So if we launched the 6G technology, so how it will communicate with the mobile? So how it can be utilized? So what are the steps and what are the technologies we are using in this? So we all get to know in the 6G mobile communication system. The 6G mobile system architecture is basically used for achieving the global network coverage that integrate 5G wireless mobile system and satellite network. Satellite network and telecommunication network remains very useful for the mobile network users for the process of voice calling and video broadcasting. Cellular data are considered as the state of art mobile system to initiate and to wave wireless communication between the fixed part of the system and the mobile part of the system that move in the area covered by each base station part of the system. In this cellular system, the entire network coverage area is divided into cells, and each cell is served by a signal base station as shown in the figure. So the figure is here. So here there are four layers which consist in building urban, suburban and global. So there are four cells: picocell, microcell, macrocell and satellite cell. These includes the building, urban, suburban, and global. Depending on the type, LEO, GEO, orbit, and each satellite can cover a certain area on the Earth with its beam. The base station can communicate with satellite by using a gateway link within the footprint. Mobile users can communication with satellite via mobile user link. Satellite can communicate with each other via ISL. ISL means Internet Satellite Link. This link provides direct communication. So ISL means Internet Satellite Link, and GWL means Gateway Link. So this is how the 6G technology is connected to mobile communication system, how to communicate with the mobile. So next comes the comparison between 5G and 6G. So what are the characteristics? First one, operating frequency. 5G operate at a frequency of 3 to 300 gigahertz, but 6G up to 1 tera gigahertz. Next, uplink data rate. 5G uplink data rate is 10 GB per second. 6G uplink data rate is 1 terabyte per second. Data link data rate. Downlink data rate. 5G is 20 GB per second and 6G is 1 GB per second. So speed efficiency is 5G speed efficiency is 10 byte per second, and 6G is 1000 bytes per second. So reliability 10 power minus 5 and GB is 10 power minus 9. Maximum mobility 500 km per hour, and in 6G 1000 km per hour. So here are so many like U plane latency, C plane latency, processing delay, traffic capacity, localization, precision, uniform user experience, time buffer. Here in 5G there is not real time, and in 6G it's a real time. Center of gravity is user. In 5G it's user center of gravity, and in 6G it's service. Satellite integration, there is no satellite integration in 5G, but in 6G it has fully satellite integration. So these are the comparison between 5G and 6G. We can see that how the difference is and how fast we can get a 6G technology. So next comes the feature. What are the features of the 6G technology? It will provide an ultra fast access of internet service with an amazing data rate of up to 10 to 11 GB per second. I have already said you that it has super fast internet with 10 to 11 GB per second. It provides a complete wireless network with no limitations. There is no limitation for the internet. Zero distance connectivity between the network user to offer incredible transmission speed in terabit range. So data minimization and IOPS, input output operation per second. These are the features of 6G technology. So next comes what is 6G technology. 6G technology refers to the 6th generation technology. It is proposed to integrate 5G technology for a global coverage. For resource maintaining and weather information, multimedia, video, and high speed internet connectivity and the earth imaging satellite network are used. To integrate these three kinds of satellite like telecommunication, navigation, multimedia network which provide global position, internet connectivity with high speed, and for mobile users weather information services are major three objectives for 6G technology. So the three objectives are multimedia network, navigation and communication through satellite. So these are the main three objectives of the 6G technology. 6G technology is considered to be cheap and fast internet technology. So scientists are trying to get 6G technology with low cost, which where everyone can reach and where everyone can use the technology. To provide high data rate and fast internet speed to access on air through wireless and mobile device with data ranges up to 11 GB per second when traveling for distance. So next, the advantages. So there are many advantages of the 6G technology. Ultra fast and access internet. This is the first main advantage from which we can get ultra fast to access internet. Data rates up to 10 to 11 GB per second. Home automation and other related applications, smart home cities and villages used in the production of energy from galactic world, space technology and defense application will be modified with 6G network, home-based ATM systems, satellite to satellite communication for the development of mankind. So this is the main advantage from which satellite to satellite communication can be made through 6G technology. And we also have some disadvantages, like as we all know that nowadays the data rate, the internet rate has been increased, so this can get high cost, and research is still going on to launch the 6G technology, and infrastructure security issue. Technology is still under process and research on its viability is going on. So conclusion. So finally we can conclude that today mobile phase consists of everything ranging from small size, large phone, memory, speed dialing, video player, audio player and camera and so on. Recently, with the development of internet and Bluetooth technology, data sharing has become a child's play. The sixth generation 6G wireless mobile communication network integrates satellite for global coverage. It can be communication of nanocast and artificial intelligence. So we use various technologies to launch a 6G technology. In 6G, the cost of mobile call will be relatively high, but in 7G this problem will be improved. So first we have to launch a 6G, so can be reduced and low cost level will be benefited. So from the 6G technology everyone will get benefit. So finally the reference from which all papers have published: A.S. Swarup, Ghori, Mohammed, V.M. Nizamuddin, full duplex radio wave transmission for 6G internet in International Journal of Recent Trends in Engineering and Research in 2455 and 1457. And these are references of the 6G technology. 6G internet reveals the fastest domestic internet available in Britain. Time clock at 24th January 2014. Thank you.